We always need to make certain decisions at each phase of life, be it small or big decisions, but it impacts our lives significantly. So, how are you at decision making? Do you realize that quick and effective decision making is essential for your growth and success? Great thing is that you can always learn this skill to make quick and effective decisions. Yes, of course. I understand the importance of good decision making, but how can I learn to make great decisions? Enlighten me. Well, the goal of making a good decision is not just to be very quick. It's all about a thoughtful and high quality solution. So here are the steps you need to do. You need to first understand and focus on the real issue. Then to think on constraints and various options and ways to execute the decision to have the best possible solution. Don't fear trying and being wrong. Try soon, fail soon. Let's understand the whole process step by step. So first step is define the problem in defined way. Define the problem accurately, not at just the high level or superficial level. We need to get the root cause of it. Try to dig into the root cause of the problem, not just what it looks superficial. Keep on asking why till you reach the root cause of the problem. Gauge the urgency level. Urgent versus perception of urgency. So there are certain circumstances, certain situations which are urgent, and there are certain situations which are not urgent, but due to certain pressure, we feel sense of urgency. So focus on all the consequences to analyze the urgency level. If there are consequences which cannot be mitigated and which need your immediate action, it means situation is urgent. There could be some situations which do not need your immediate action and can be parked for later. Do not change the plan of action if it's not urgent. So once you analyze the consequences and you figure out that situation is not urgent, so just due to perception of urgency, do not change your plan of action. Understand the time constraint. Remember that not always everything needs your critical time and attention. Use the 80-20 rule. Shortlist 20% of things that need your high focus and energy. Rest 80% can be delegated, outsourced, or picked up later. Don't get overwhelmed by non-critical tasks. It will drain your energy and reduce your efficiency. Avoid silos. Understand the power of teamwork. Understand the power of working together. Good collaboration renders a sense of inclusiveness. Your decisions might impact others, so taking inputs from the team is always a good idea. Doesn't matter how much proficient and efficient you are, you can't be an expert of everything. Having quality discussions and teaming up with experts is always great. It will help you to analyze impacts and urgency level in a better way. Sometimes just relying on your intuition is not efficient and effective. Gathering required information. You cannot reach to final decision, quality decision, without gathering required information. Good analysis of data and information is required to make a quality decision. More data or information is not always better. Relevant and quality info and data are beneficial in reaching a quality decision. better study and analysis on the subject matter will lead to great decisions. List all of the possible options. List all of the options after analyzing urgency, impact, information, and quality discussions with expert and teams. You can now choose the least beneficial options. Choose by analyzing the pros and cons of options. And you will reach final decision on the basis of this analysis and impact. Implementation of the final decision. Remember that implementation is the most critical part of decision making. Bad implementation can make even a great decision bad. Always communicate the decision properly with its impact. Explain all the possibilities, the root cause of the problem, and the reason to come up with final decision with your team and who all are getting impacted. Have a great and proper plan to roll out the decision and make it real. Here are the takeaways in a nutshell. Choose quality over quickness, get the root cause and gauge the actual urgency level. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. Discuss with experts, teams, do the proper analysis, study of impacts and consequences as per past experiences, data, or work done by others on the area. Plan for the implementation. Remember that poor implementation will ruin the decision.